Hi guys, welcome to the Beehive Show, and today we have Nidhi from Invest My Paisa with us. Hi Nidhi, welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you so much.
So really quick, can you give our viewers a little bit introduction about yourself, what Invest My Paisa is, and how did you come up with it, when did you guys start?
So, Invest My Paisa is a wealth management firm, and we are actually focused on women investors. We started in 2017, and currently we are managing close to 200 crores worth of AUMs. And I started this because once I graduated, did my MBA from IIM Codigo, I realized that even my peers were struggling with their money management. And so they were coming to me for advice and all. So that is how the idea came to me, and I started.
That sounds great. I feel like a lot of people like me came to you.
Yeah, definitely. And the thing is that the industry data is that only 7% of women invest independently, and actually more than 30% of them start investing after they've worked for 2 to 3 years.
Wow. Okay, a very believable pattern, because there are a lot of people like me. I still don't exactly understand like what to invest in, and I feel like the safest option for me would be to go for an SIP or like something that a bank would offer, you know, save up my money, put it into FD. And I feel like these are general things that all of us know about. Is there any kind of advice that you would want to give somebody who's looking to invest? What is the best way to start off with?
The best advice would be start early, and also please have a consultant in place, because even if you're doing an SIP, there are more than 4,000 to 5,000 funds right now.
Exactly.
And you don't know which one is best for you.
Yeah.
And something which is working for your friend may not work for you.
Yeah.
So that is it. And thirdly, if your parents are making any investments in your name, please be involved in the family investments and know what is happening.
Thank you. That was very good advice. And how's Thai Global Summit 2024 going for you? How does it feel to be here?
So this is my first Thai Global Summit, and it's been going really well. The way they've set up everything and how people are so warm and open to networking, and I think it's a great community building event that is happening.
Oh, that's so nice to hear.
Yeah.
And also, do you have any advice for futurepreneurs that might be watching, or anybody else who's just starting out right now?
Anybody else who's just starting out, please attend events like these and don't be shy in networking and reaching more people. And I think the way we can make few mistakes is by peer learning. That is the key.
Okay, I have one last question for you. Have you ever experienced co-working before?
Yes, I have. I think co-working is a great experience, because as an entrepreneur, it can get lonely in a sole office setup. So co-working space gets you to connect to more people, and you have office friends that way. So I think it's a great space for somebody who's starting out.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you for giving us all of your insights. We hope to see you in Beehive someday.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.